Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4, English, lesson 6, Saving the Sparrow. Hira Lal looked at the power line that ran across his village. His father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their homes. Quite often, Hira Lal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. So, what do you think is a power line, children? It is two or more wires carrying powerful electric current from one location to another is called as a power line. So, what this boy used to do always, he used to look into the power line every time as he went across here and there. And he imagined that he would see the people and he would meet people. Most evening sparrows came to rest on the power line. They looked beautiful like little glass beads on a necklace. Seeing the birds, he wished he were one of them, so he could fly to the strange lands. Most often, the sparrows would come to sit on the power line and rest, and they would look like the beads on the necklace. So, looking at the birds, he also wished that he could be one of them, so he could fly to strange lands here and there. The boy used to always think that he wanted to be a sparrow or he could be a bird. One morning, as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. It was hanging there, head down, desperately flapping its wings. But he did not know how he could help. So Hiralal rode off to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. Now, what happened? As usual, the boy was going to the school. He saw a bird. What happened? All the sparrows were sitting in the same electric wire, and what happened there? One bird was caught in the power line and it was hanging over, heads down, and desperately flapping its wings. So, desperately flapping its wings means moving its wings up and down, trying to free itself. Not knowing how to help, Hiralal hoped someone would have saved the sparrow. When he came back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still, but they were not moving. Hiralal began to worry. What if it died? He noticed that the other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird, trying to help it. Now, when he came back from the school, the sparrow was still trapped and it couldn't be saved by anybody, and also the rest of the birds were circling around that to help that to come out of the trap. The bird was still caught in the electric wire. Now the boy started to think what to do and how could he help the bird to save from the electric wire. Hiralal ran into the house. Ma, ma, help me. Pa, quick, come quickly. His parents rushed to his side. What happened? They asked, worried. He told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. Now, what did the boy do? Hiralal ran into his house and he started to call his parents. He told his parents about the matter of the sparrow. The whole day it is still hanging in the electric pole. Now, he called out his parents, his mother and his father, and told about the condition of the sparrow and how to help the sparrow. But the power line is high, his father pointed out. How are we going to reach it? His mother pursued her lips and said, "It is too dangerous. I will not let either of you to go near the wire." Hiralal was sobbing. His parents tried to comfort him, but there seemed to be little they could do. But as Hiralal came and told at home, his father said that the power line is very high. We can't go and we can't climb there. And how can we reach to the peak of that? And how can we save the bird? Now, mother pursued her lips, means brought her lips together in a round shape to express her dislike. And mother said that no, no, not at all. I am not going to let any one of you to go near the wire. Now Hira Lal started to sob. Sobbing means he started to cry. His parents tried to comfort him a lot. Then father got an idea. Hiralal knew that the bird would not live much longer. The thought did not allow him to rest, but slowly an idea began to take shape in his head. Soon after, Hiralal cycled to the power station near his village. When Ram Bharose, the maintenance man, saw this young boy waving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiralal told him about the sparrow. As mother said no, what happened? Hira Lal thought that the bird not live for very long time, because from morning it is caught in the wire, and if it is not saved it will die. And what did he do? Began to he thought of till then an idea stuck in his mind, and he started to cycle to the power station. Power station is a place where power is produced and from where it is sent to other places like homes, factories, and so on. And what happened? He went to the power station and he met Ram Bharose, the maintenance man. Maintenance man is a person who can repair and maintain things in a power station. And this boy waved at him. And what happened? Ram Bharose opened the gate of the power station. And now, what happened now? As Ram Bharose opened the power station's gate, the boy went inside and he told about the sparrow. "Could you please switch off the power for a while?" he asked. Ram Bharose scratched his head. Then he said, "Let's see, maybe the supervisor can help." He took Hiralal to a kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Hiralal was tired and frightened. With tears in his eyes, he said, "A sparrow is going to die because its foot is caught in the power line. If you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me." The old man listened to Hiralal patiently. He "Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy," he said. "Think of the hospitals. What will happen to the patient who is in the middle of an operation?" Now what happened? He went and he started to tell the problem of the bird. And here Ram Bharose took him to the supervisor. And what happened there? Now the supervisor asked the boy about the matter. Till then the boy said that it is the sparrow is got stuck, and please can you all switch off the power for a while. So what happens for a while? If you switch the power off, somebody can go and save the sparrow. Ram Bharose took Hiralal to the supervisor, a kind old man. And what happened now? Kind old man looked at the boy Hiralal and asked him about the problem. With tears, the Hiralal cried, "If you can only switch off the power, we can save the trapped bird from the electric wire." Listening to him patiently now, the old man thought of what has to be done further. The old man listened to him patiently. "Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy," he said. "Think of the hospitals. What will happen if a patient who is in the middle of an operation?" He stopped at looked into Hiralal's sad eyes. Then he said, "Tell me your name, son. Also tell me where you live." He touched the boy's shoulder. "You have a large heart, but it's time for you to return home. It's growing dark outside." Now the old man, the supervisor, heard the problem of the boy and told him if in the hospitals there no generator will be there, what will happen? The patient who is in the middle of an operation may die. Now the kind old man said, Hira Lal, to go back to his house because it is getting darker and darker. The old man asked the name of the boy and asked his address. And he said that I'm very proud that I have met such a young boy with a large head. And also, you have a large heart, he said. Sad and helpless, Hiralal returned home. Sometime near dawn, he woke up to loud noises. "Oi, Hiralal, come out!" Hiralal shout of the house. His heart was racing. He had seen three men. One of them was Ram Barose. Now, as the boy heard the voice of the supervisor, he was very sad and he was helpless. He returned home. He came back home, and sometime near dawn. Dawn means in the evening. The time when the sun sets is called as dawn. He woke up to the loud noises. So, what happened? He heard the loud noises coming from the outside. Now Hiralal shot out of the house. Shot out of the house means he came out of the house to see who was shouting outside the house. Ram Barose and other two men had come to rescue the sparrow. Now he saw 2 or 3 people who have come to his house, and they said that, "Oh, Hirelal, hurry up and show us where the sparrow is." Now they came to see the sparrow. "There is a power shutdown at the station," Ram Barose explained. "They had come with a truck to rescue the sparrow. Hurry and jump into the truck. Show us where is the sparrow." Now, as the 3 people came to their house, why did they come? They came to tell that there is a power shutdown in the power station. And Ram Barose explained about the power shutdown in the power station, and they had come with a truck. Why did they come with the truck there? They came with the truck there to rescue the sparrow. And Ram Barose and other 2 men had come there to rescue the sparrow. Rescue means save the sparrow, and asked Harilal to jump into the truck and show us where the sparrow is. Hiralal searched for the bird. Suddenly he yelled, "A little more to the right, a little more." They were now directly under the power line where the sparrow was trapped. Harilal got into the truck and let them know was trapped, means where the sparrow was caught in the electric wire. There the Hebrew boy took the people there to save the sparrow. The driver steered the truck in the position and got the extension ladder ready. Ram Barose swung up the extension ladder as the other man switched on his torch and helped it up. The light from the torch picked out the sparrow hanging from the wire. Hiralal took them to the place where the sparrow was trapped, and then the driver positioned. Position means he kept the truck and the extension ladder, placing the sparrow. The other man switched on his torch and Ram Barose climbed up the ladder. Ram Barose carefully loosened the bird's claw that was caught in the wire and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. The rescue had taken only a few minutes. Ram Barose and his companions left after handing the sparrow to Hiralal. The bird rested in his cupped hand. Suddenly, it jumped out of his hands. It spread its wings and began to fly. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment. With the help of the light with the torch, Ram Barose carefully loosened the bird's claw and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. Now, slowly, Ram Barose took the bird from the wire and he took it and he put the sparrow inside his pocket. And the rescue had taken only a few minutes. So the bird was so soon rescued by the people who came to rescue the bird. The bird lay still for a few minutes and spread its wings and flew away. What happened? For few minutes it was as it is and then it flew away. Now Hiralal always would remember this magical moment. He could never forget this day how he rescued the bird. So, children, if you see any birds or animals or human beings in danger, please try to help them in the manner however you can, or please inform your elders to help them. Hope you will all do that. Thank you.